Hey, Dan Brown here from Chiropractic Life in Perth. Today I'm going to take you through a Thompson Technique adjustment. So we've got Liam here. Now Liam's asymptomatic, so he doesn't have any symptoms. However, he is experiencing a bit of tightness through his mid-back. Anyway, I'll take you down here. First of all, we're checking leg length. So you can see there's a definite short leg on that right hand side. Liam, can you turn your head to the left for me? Okay, still short. Turn your head to the right. Still short. Okay, and then back to centre. And then when we bend the legs balance out there. Okay? So that tells me predominantly there's going to be an SI joint issue here. So Liam, can I get you to turn onto your left hand side for me? Good. We're going to be adjusting his right SI joint. So look at this. Bring it right over. How's that? Good job. Good man. Okay. So now we're having a look at Liam's leg length, and that right short leg has balanced out. Liam, can you turn your head to the left for me? Good. No chain, and to the right. Perfect, and then back to centre. Easy. Awesome. So we've now balanced out Liam's leg length, and we're just going to leave it like that. So even though he's experiencing tension in the back, that's not necessarily where we're going to be adjusting. We're going to be adjusting specifically where the spine is subluxing or where there's a slight misalignment. So well done, buddy. Good job.